Hi guys, this is Rohit. Welcome to Talking Tech, and in today's video we are going to learn how to extract text from images using Python. So you may have heard of object content recognition, and that is widely used technology to extract text from images. In this video we are going to use the same concept with the help of Python. So let's get started. So for this project we just need three things. One is PyTesseract module, which is going to help to extract text from images. Second is Python ID, and third one is an image that we are going to use for test. So I'm using PyCharm. Create a new project. Here name it OCR, or you can name it anything. Just create that and in a new window. Now go to terminal, create a virtual environment, python/mvenv. So creating a virtual environment will help us to download or install only those libraries that we are going to use in this particular project, and this is a good practice. So it's installing, it will take some time. Okay, now it's installed, so let's activate the environment. For this you need to go to scripts and then activate, because our environment is activated. Now we need to install PyTesseract. For this, pip install PyTesseract. So PyTesseract is installing. Yes, and now we can see that the virtual environment is created, and the scripts, we can see that PyTesseract is here. Now what we can do, we need one more file. First of all, let's create one Python file, name it img2 text.py. okay, so from PyTesseract import PyTesseract. We also need to use OS for the paths. Create a class, name it OCR, create one constructor. In that constructor we need to define a path. So here what you have to specify, you need there is a Tesseract executable file, Tesseract OCR executable file. You need to first install that on your system, and then you need to provide the path here. So the path you have to provide is, you need, you can go to Windows, go to program files, and there you can, after installing, you can find there is a Tesseract OCR. So just copy this path, go here, paste this, also go to tesseract.exe. this path you need to provide. Now create one more function like extract, and here we need to provide the file name. Okay, so in this, what we have to do now, okay, the path is here, and first of all we need to configure that PyTesseract. So how do we do that? We got PyTesseract dot Tesseract cmd, type cmd, it will come, yeah, and here just provide this path. Okay, the PyTesseract is configured. Now what you have to do, you just need to use one method of this PyTesseract. Okay, PyTesseract dot image to string, and here you need to provide the file name. It's simple. So yes, and you can return this text. So the text is extracted, and what we do, we just use this in a try catch block. So if there is an exception, then we can handle that. Except exception as what we can do, we can just print what is the exception, or we can return error. Okay, so let's test this. For test, create an object of this particular class, and here is text. So ocr.extract, the file name is test.png that I am going to use, and okay, so this is the png file. Let me copy it here. Yeah, okay, so yes, so now let's check whether it is working or not. Just run that. It will take some time, and yes, you can see here the text. Okay, let me open the image for you. This is basically the image and this is the text, and you can see that it's really good and everything is extracted from this image. So this is all. You just need just 5 to 10 lines of code and the work is done here. OS, yeah, that's all. So if you want to learn how to create a Telegram bot which can do this for us, and we just only need to provide an image and it will extract the text from that image. For that, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates. So this is all for today, and if you want to know how to create a Telegram bot which can extract text from the images, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you guys find this video useful, do like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and be safe. See you soon.